Google Chrome open links in a new window fix. So if your Google Chrome is opening links in a new window, it is quite simple to fix it. Open your Google Chrome browser and just go to google.com. So even if you're using Chrome, I would recommend you first go to google.com and you will see this type of interface. From here, from the bottom right, you'll find an option that says settings. So simply click on that settings option. And then from here, you want to simply go to search settings. Once you go to search settings, this is the kind of option you will see. From here on the left hand side, you want to go to other settings. And from other settings, you want to scroll and here you'll find an option that says results in a new window. You actually just need to turn this off in order to turn off results in a new window whenever you search for something next time onwards. And this way you'll be able to fix Google Chrome opening links in a new window. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.